What's up, people? Hello. Can you guys all hear me and see me clearly? What's up? A very warm welcome to today's session. I hope you guys are all doing good and you're having a fantastic day. My name is Anup and this is Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Welcome, people. Welcome. Long time no see. It's been a really long time since I've come live, so it feels good to be live again. So what is up? How is everything going? How are your preparations going? I'm awesome, Jaya. Thank you for asking. Hi, how are you, Aman? Hi, Saket. What's up? Hi, Srinivas. What's up? Welcome. Sasri Akal. Good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Hello and welcome to the session. I hope you guys are all doing good. Fine, good to know. Hi, Purva. What's up? Hi, Kirti. What's up? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me just refresh my page 1 second because I'm not able to see. All right. Yes. What's up? All right, guys. A very warm welcome once again. This is going to be an amazing session because finally we're done with all the teaching stuff and we're going to get into the quizzes. So today we're going to be doing a lot of quizzes on magnetic effect of electric current. I hope you're prepared about this. I hope you guys are confident about this chapter. So I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. So what I've done is basically I've put about 9 to 10 questions and I've divided the questions into 3 levels. You have level 1 questions, level 2 and then level 3. And as the levels go up, the difficulty level also goes up and you have to try and answer your best. Give your best. That's all I'm asking. There's nothing, you don't have to feel feel like you're pressured or something like that. I want you guys to just relax and give your very best shot. If in case you make any mistakes, go back to your textbooks and correct those mistakes and make sure that you do not repeat those mistakes ever again. Right, guys? So shall we begin today's session? Give me a oh yeah in the chat box if you guys are all ready. Give me a oh yeah. जोर से बोलो oh yeah in the chat box if you guys are all ready. Let's go. Hi Firdaus, good afternoon. What's up? Hi Sakit, good afternoon. What's up? Alright, yes people, that is the spirit, Bhargavi. That is it, Srinivas. That's the spirit, Saket. Alright. So yeah guys, with that said then, I'll just tell you a few things before we get started. One thing is this, people, so whoever's watching this session, whoever's not watching it live basically, if you guys want to take part in the quiz again, don't feel left out because we have an option to let you guys take the quizzes after the session is done. So all you have to do is go to the description of this video. You'll have an option called as click the link to attempt quiz. So you can actually attempt your quizzes right from there. And if you're watching it, if you're not watching it live, you can probably do that. Now, if in case you're on a mobile phone, you have to click on the drop box and then click on the link to attempt the quizzes once the session is done. And this goes for people who are watching it live as well. If you guys want to take part in the quiz later on, that's absolutely possible. If you feel like you need more practice, then go ahead, click on that link and attempt the quizzes after the session is done as well. Right, guys? So let's get into the last and the final one shot. We are done with the one shot series. We're going to get into the quizzes right now. So what you have to do is, people, go to joinmyquiz.com. All right, joinmyquiz.com and enter the code 873569. And I want every one of you guys who are here to join the quiz. Whoever's here right now, I want all of you guys to join the quiz as well because I want you guys to practice, make mistakes, learn from those mistakes and get better. All right, so go ahead and go to this website, people. Go open up a new tab. If you have another phone, if you're rich and if you have another phone right next to you, then open up a tab on that phone. Or if you have a laptop or a computer or anything else, or if you're watching it on a laptop, then open up a new slide or new tab and then enter this website, joinmyquiz.com. all right, and enter the code 873569. all right, hi Akshat, hi Swam, hi Anushka, hi Harini. What's up? Welcome, people, welcome. Link is right there. This is the link. You have to go to joinmyquiz.com. all right, if you click on this, okay, if you go to joinmyquiz.com, you'll get this option called as quizzes. So once you go to quizzes, they'll ask you for a code. Enter the code 873569. all right, hi Gayatri, what's up? Welcome. I'm happy to be here. It's been a long time since I've taken a live session, so it feels good to be back. Last week also we were supposed to take the session last week due to some problems. We could not do it, but yeah, we're here now. Yes, unsafe name. My God, creativity, height of creativity. All right. Okay, isn't it style? All the best. Why not? Alright then, people, I'm gonna start the quiz then. Pretty much all of you guys, I believe, are here. Now if you're just joining us right now, please join the quiz. Go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code. Absolutely, champion ji, why not, Babu? ICC students can also join. क्यों join नहीं कर सकते? हाँ, किसने मना किया? My Hindi is getting better. My Hindi is getting so much better. Soon this channel is going to turn into a Hindi channel. Anyway, so I'm going to start the quiz then. Hi Vargavi, what's up? Alright, so I'm going to start the quiz, people. So again, I have 9 questions for you guys. Again, each of these are divided into 3 different levels. You have level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 are very easy questions. Level 2 is a little bit more harder and level 3 is going to be the hardest of the lot. Alright, so here is the first question. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Warm up your fingers. Here's the first question on your screens. Here we go. Let's go, people. What is the first question? Okay, wait. Let's go to the first question. Yes. The first question is... Wait, what is the first question? Got confused with that. First question, here we go. Okay, a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder is called as what? A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a shape of a cylinder is called as a magnet, or toroid, is it called as a solenoid, or none of the above? What exactly is this called as? 10 seconds, go ahead and answer this, people. Pretty much all of you guys have answered. That is super duper amazing. 5 more seconds if you haven't made up your mind yet. If you have, I'll just reduce the volume because it's too overwhelming. Right. So here is your first question, and this is what the leaderboard looks like at the end of the first question. I'm pretty sure all of you guys have given the right answer for this. But yes, here we go again. 18 of you guys got the right answer. That is absolutely fantabulous, people. Only 2 people went with a magnet, but yes, guys, it's a solenoid. There's a special name given to this. If you take a wire and wind it like a spring, that is known as a solenoid. An insulated copper wire which is wound like a spring, or which is made to look like a cylinder, that is what is called a solenoid. 18 of you guys got the right answer for this. Fabulous job. Let me just reduce the volume of this one because it's too overwhelming. I can't really listen to myself talking. Nonetheless, super awesome, guys. Congratulations again. This is what the leaderboard stands like at the end of the very first question. Parkavi on the first. Parkavi. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Parkavi. Anyways, they have Anshika, Vasundhara, Doyle, followed by unsafe name KV, Karan, Aman, and so on and so forth. It just keeps on going. Pretty much all of you guys got the same amount of points as well. Moving on to the second question, people. Question number 2. आपका दूसरा सवाल. Here we go. The question is, the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of what? What do the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid look like? Are they intersecting lines? Are they crossing lines? Parallel lines, or both intersecting as well as crossing lines? Very easy question, bacha question. We have done this already in the class, both in the regular sessions as well as on YouTube. I hope you guys remember it, because I told you that this is very similar to something that you've already seen in the past. So I'm hoping that you guys have given the right answer for this. Let's go, people. 3 more seconds. Pretty much all of you guys have answered. So here's the leaderboard once again. Anshika on the top now, followed by KV, followed by 14 of you guys got the right answer. That is again a good number. Some of you guys were confused. 6 of you guys went with intersecting lines and crossing lines. Unfortunately, people, inside the solenoid, I told you this in the sessions also. If I were to just write it down, let me just if I were to just write it down over here, one sec, people. So here, if you were to draw a solenoid, my god, what was that? Hold on, people, hold on. yes I don't know what's happening to my laptop these days. It's becoming very, very slow. Okay. Anyways, so if I were to draw a solenoid, people, why is it I'm not able to write anything? Wait. Yes. Wait. Hey. Why am I not able to write anything? Nah? Why? I'm not able to. Okay. I'm gonna switch back. That was shape out. Okay, so anyways, guys, as I was saying, if you were to draw a solenoid, inside the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are actually parallel lines. They're all parallel lines, all right? And I told you this, that the magnetic field around a solenoid is very similar to that of a bar magnet. In a bar magnet also, the magnetic field lines inside the bar magnet are parallel to each other, and outside the magnet, they're going from north to south pole. And it's very similar to that. Here also, you'll see the exact same scenario. The magnetic field lines outside the magnet are going from north to south pole, and inside the magnet, inside the solenoid, it's actually parallel lines. All right, moving on to the next question, people. I'm going to end this because God knows why I'm not able to write anything. All right, third question, people. I hope this makes sense. So whoever got it wrong, please remember that it's parallel lines. They are not crossing or intersecting with each other. All right, next question. Third question, people. Here we go. Did we just do the third question? Like, what's happening? Wait, let me just go back. All right, yeah. Third question, guys. Third question. Here we go. Why is my laptop doing this to me today? All right, here we go. Which of the following statement is not correct about the magnetic field? Which of those is not correct about the magnetic field is the question. Magnetic field lines form a continuous closed curves. Magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Direction of tangent at any point on the magnetic field line curve gives the direction of the magnetic field at that point. Outside the magnet, magnetic field lines go from south to north pole of the magnet. Which statement is not true? Which statement is not true is the question. So listen, pay attention, and then go ahead and give the right answer for this. I'm pretty sure it's very simple, but the options are pretty long to read. Maybe because of that, some of you guys lost your patience and gave the wrong answer. But nonetheless, super amazing, guys. I thought it wouldn't be like this. 16 of you guys got the right answer. Proud of you guys. Now, proud of you guys. That is fabulous job. That is super duper amazing. Some of you guys here and there made some mistakes, but yes. Remember this, people. Outside the magnet, the magnetic field lines are going from north to south, not from south to north. All right. It's always from north to south. Inside the magnet, they're going from south to north, but outside they're going from north to south. And all the other statements in this question is absolutely correct. Magnetic field lines form continuous closed curves. Magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. For a particular magnet, the magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. And if you were to draw a tangent, the tangent will give you the direction of the magnetic force as well. In which direction the magnetic force is acting, that tangent will give you that. All right. The fourth question, this is the last question from level 1 questions. All right, we're done with level 1 questions right after this one. How can we determine the magnetic field around a current carrying conductor? All right, using a compass needle, using right hand thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule, or either A or B. If you want to determine the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor, imagine that it's a straight current carrying conductor. How would you determine the magnetic field around it? Use a compass needle, right hand thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule, or both using a compass as well as using right hand thumb rule. Super duper easy question. Once again, here we go. I mean, I love the participation. Pretty much all of you guys are giving the right answer. Aman on the top, fabulous job, followed by Anshika, followed by, no, I take that back. Give me the fabulous job back. Okay, so here is the thing, guys. Here is the thing. I don't know if you guys remember this, that if you use a compass also, you can find out the direction of the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor. It is not necessary that you have to use right and thumb rule itself. You can actually use a compass. If you place the compass at different locations, the needle of the compass, if you were to, basically plot the direction of the needle of the compass, that needle of the compass can also point or plot or can be used to plot the direction of the magnetic field. I have done this in the regular sessions while, during the Umang series, we have done this. The Prodigy series, we have done this. So if you place the compass at different positions, the needle of the compass will point in that direction, which if you join them together, it will actually form concentric circles. All right. So these are all compass placed at different positions. So using a compass as well as using right and thumb rule, you can actually figure out the direction of the magnetic field. Only 6 of you guys were able to figure it out. 15 of you guys went with option number of B, which is not wrong, but it's not entirely correct as well. Using a compass needle also, you can find out the direction, and hence option D is the right answer. So sad, guys. So sad. Here's your leaderboard one. Nonetheless, Aman on the top, followed by Anshika, followed by Bhargavi, followed by KV, followed by Vasundhara, followed by Karan, Meda 873569. What is that? Your roll number? Followed by Pranav, Preeksha, Sahil, Doyle, Akshat, unsafe name, Amrita, Jaikumar, Hemashri, Parkavi, followed by Swayam, Gautam, Prithvi, Shreya, Banu, Saket, and so on and so forth. Harini, Blay, and Pratismita. Unfortunately, I haven't opened up your account yet. It's all right. Okay. So, guys, that is the end of the level 1 questions. All right. How are you guys feeling so far? Your confidence is soaring up in the air, or your confidence is dipped down below the ground? What is happening right now at this point of time after you have attempted 4 questions of magnetic effect? What is Janta Batado? How do you guys feel after those 4 questions? I hope you're feeling good, because it's only going to get more and more difficult. So I'm hoping that it's a good feeling at this point of time. Right. Anyways, I'm going to go over the level 2 questions right now. So get ready for that. Level 2 questions, like I told you, is going to be a little bit more difficult than what it is. And who is joining in right right now. You can join this quiz, people. It's not necessary that you have to just sit and look at your screen. So go to joinmyquiz.com/pro, joinmyquiz.com/pro, and enter the code 8735692 to enter the quiz. So you don't have to just sit there and watch your friends take part in the quiz. You guys can also take part in the quiz. All right. Okay. Fifth question, people. Let's go. The fifth question, level 2 questions, that is. Go ahead and answer this one. So level 2 questions, here we go. The question is, the conditions for the phenomena of electromagnetic induction, its phenomena of electromagnetic induction is that there must be a relative motion between what? There should be a relative motion between the galvanometer and the magnet, the coil of the wire and the galvanometer, the coil of the wire and the magnet, or the galvanometer and the magnet. The phenomena of electromagnetic induction, or EMI, what should be the condition in order for you to produce EMI? All right, there should be a relative motion between the galvanometer and the magnet, the coil of wire and galvanometer, the coil of wire and the magnet, or the magnet and the galvanometer. Very simple question, but I'm hoping that you guys remember the concept of EMI, or electromagnetic induction. Let's see how many of you guys do remember it. Here we go. This is your overall percentage. The fastest, the leaderboard at this point of time. Couple of you guys did manage to get the right answer. Overall percentage is about 12. 12 of you guys got the right answer for this question. 5 going with option number A, 3 with option number B, and only 1 person going with option number D. Unfortunately, guys, none of those are correct. The right answer is option number C. There should be a motion. There should be a movement. So you need a changing magnetic field. If you want to induce current in an external circuit, you need a changing magnetic field. So you have to move the magnet with respect to you either keep the coil steady and you move the magnet, or you keep the magnet steady and move the coil. Either of this should happen, because you need a changing magnetic field in order for you to induce current in an external circuit, or in order for you to see electromagnetic induction, and hence option C is the right answer for this question, right? Moving on to the next question, guys. 6th question for the day, again level 2 question. Here it is. I hope that you guys will be able to answer this. It's a very simple question, though it looks pretty big, but it's small. The question is, if the key of a given arrangement is taken out, the circuit is made open. The magnetic field lines are drawn over the horizontal plane A, B, C, D. The lines are concentric circles, elliptical in shape, straight lines parallel to each other, or concentric circles near the point O, but of elliptical shape as we go away from it. You have a straight current carrying conductor. You have a, what do you call that? It's a cardboard sheet. You have that plane A, B, C, D that you see over there. Now, if you were to draw the magnetic field around or over this plane A, B, C, D, what would that look like is the question. Would it look like concentric circles? Would it be elliptical in shape? Would it be straight line parallel to each other, or concentric at O? And as we go ahead, it's going to be elliptical. Super easy question. I don't think this should be a level 2 question first of all, but nonetheless, this is what it, oh my God. How? People, how? I really expected this one to, to be super duper easy, because in a straight current carrying conductor, the magnetic field lines around it would look like concentric circles. No, have you ever seen any of your textbooks saying that it's elliptical circles like this? Have you ever seen this one happening? Is it elliptical circles or elliptical magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor? This is one of the most basic concepts that we had learned in this chapter. Why people? Why? Kyun? Why? Huh? Take your time, take your time and aram se answer it. No, you have so much time to answer. You had about 1 minute time and still silly mistakes, people. It's concentric circles. If you have a straight current carrying conductor, the magnetic field would be concentric circles, not elliptical circles. All right, it's not elliptical. It's never going to be elliptical. It's going to be concentric circles. So here it will be concentric circle. Does not matter whether it's near or further away. It's still going to be concentric circles. It's okay, happens. We all make mistakes. We learn from those mistakes, but don't ever repeat this again. All right. 7th question, people. 7th question. Here we go. We are almost towards the end of it. Okay, what? Wait, what? We have already done this question. Why is the same question repeated again? Stop answering now. Stop answering. So much Josh now. Now you guys only, I don't even have to, it's the same question again. Just, okay, you're getting a chance to redeem yourself, people. So go ahead and take this opportunity to redeem yourself. I think, I don't think this is fair, but still, go ahead and answer this. Just go ahead and answer this. Answer it off. Because anyways, you guys know the answer. We have done this question just now. Hi Jashmita, what's up? Hi Jaya. Good, Jaya. Good. Alright. So probably on the 5 more seconds, whoever hasn't answered yet, we've already done the same question, so it doesn't make any sense at all, but nonetheless, alright. How come I skipped? I didn't see this. Nonetheless, leaderboard is like this, people. We have Aman the Dynamite on the top, followed by Anshika, followed by Vasandra, Bhargavi, followed by obviously 21 of you guys would get the right answer for this. Even in that, also one person got it wrong. Can we have a big round of applause for that one person, that legend of tomorrow, whoever that legend is? Can we have a big round of applause for that legend, guys? Super amazing. No, what a brilliant young man or young woman, whoever that is. Well done. I just put the same question. This is what I'm telling you. I keep saying this. Even if I write the answer on the board, if I were to write the answer on the board, there'll be at least one person who will still end up choosing the wrong answer. I don't know how that is possible, but yes, this is the actual truth. I mean, I've tried this also. Literally, if you write the answer on the board also, there will be at least one person who will go with the wrong answer. And this proves that legends do exist. Alright, next question, people. The 7th question, the proper 7th question. A magnet AB is broken into 2 pieces. What is the polarity of A, B, C, and D? Options are: A is North Pole, C is South Pole, D is North Pole, and B is South Pole. A is South Pole, C is South Pole, D is North Pole, and B is South Pole. If A is North Pole, then C is South Pole, B is South Pole, D is South Pole, and B is South Pole. A is North Pole, then C is South Pole, D is North Pole, and B is North Pole. My God. Amazing question. Yeah, good. Whoever is that legend, no? Big round of applause for you, da. You deserve a medal. Anyways, let's see how many figures get this one right. I want to see how many figures get this one right. This is kind of like, it's less of a physics question and more of an aptitude based question, but let's see how many figures have figured it out. Okay, Aman the Dynamite unfortunately was not able to figure it out. We have 11 of you guys going with the right answer. I don't know how you guys got it right. I'm pretty sure these 11 of you guys just chose it because it's the first option that they saw in their screen. I'm pretty sure it was just Tukkamar, but nonetheless, 11 of you guys, congratulations. You did manage to give the right answer. 7 going with option number B, 2 of you with option number C, D, and 1 with option number C. It's all right, happens. But let me tell you how to do this question, guys. It's actually quite simple. So here is the thing, guys. The thing is that you see this arrow mark? This means that there's a force of attraction between this one and this one. So that means that these have to be opposite poles, right? So if I consider A to be the North Pole, B is the South Pole, then so A again is the North Pole. All right. So this is South Pole. This is nothing but the North Pole. So here, obviously, this would be the South Pole. Now, here is the thing. There's a force of repulsion. That is why there's no attraction. That is why C and D is not coming closer, because there's a force of attraction, which means that D is also South Pole and B would be the North Pole. Because in a magnet, you should definitely you cannot have one single pole alone. You should always have North and South, because they're always, it's like a couple. You can never find them alone. It should always be North and South. So because of this small understanding, you should be able to get it right. So here A is North and C is South Pole, D is the North Pole, and B is the South Pole. So D is, okay, they have taken the other way around, but nonetheless, there's a slight mistake here. It should be D is South and B is North, alright, because there's a force of repulsion there. There's a force of repulsion here, and same poles would always repel. So this should be, okay, that's not correct, people. If I go with option, okay, let's try out option number B also. Let's try out option number B for a second. We have A is South. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off my screen for a second so that you guys can see this, people. If I were to go with option number B, A is South, that means B should be North Pole. Okay, so here is the thing. They've given B also as South Pole here. So this cannot be right. If you go with C here, if you were to go with C, let's try out all the options. Let's do trial and error method over here in order to get the right answer, just so that we don't get confused. So A is north. Let's assume that A is north here. B is South Pole. Awesome. C is south and A is north. Okay, this actually makes a little bit of sense. D is south and B is okay. So okay. So here's the thing is, you cannot have two South Pole in the same magnet. So this also doesn't hold true. That means that C cannot also be the possibly. It also is not the right answer. If you go D on the other hand, if you were to go with D again, I'm going to try out all the methods over here. I'm going to try out all the things so that you guys don't get confused. So if you go with option D for this matter, A is north, C is South Pole, B is North Pole again, which again, North and North Pole is not possible. So the only thing that makes sense, which is the closest to right answer, is option number A. All right, I'm really sorry for that. But yeah, there's a small confusion. This should have been the other way around. D should be south and B should be north. All right. But anyways, it's all right. But nonetheless, option A is the most closest one. So option A should be the right answer. All right. Okay, people. So it's okay. Happens. But yeah, this is more of an aptitude-based question. You have to do trial and error method over here. There's no other way to get the right answer for this. There's no direct answer. You have to use trial and error method here. Figure out which one makes most sense, which is the closest one to the right answer, and then choose that answer. All right, that is the only way you can get this one right. All right, so yeah, thank you Yashwant, thank you thanks a lot, thank you. Me too, big fan of you guys. Hi Yashart, what's up, how are you doing? All right guys, now moving on to the 8th question. Now before we go to the 8th question, let me tell you something very important. Before we go to the 8th question, I want to tell you something very, very important, and that is this, people. You have good amount of time for your boards, for your preparation of your boards, right? You have exams starting from 26th of April, 26th of April is when your exam is starting, right? So that means that you roughly have 2.5 months to prepare for your board exams. But here is the thing, guys, majority of you guys are still in the state of, that honeymoon wala phase, in the sense you're still thinking that there's a lot of time left, and you end up losing all this time, and towards the end, it again becomes like how it was for term 1 examination, right? You're going to repeat the same mistakes. If you do the same things, you'll obviously get the same results as well. You can't expect different results if you put in the same amount of effort, right? Let me just tell you a small story. How about a small story to help you understand this? All right, so the story goes like this. So there's this lazy man, all right, this very lazy man who was actually a friend of a king. All right, so what happened was that this lazy man approached the king one day because they're very good friends, and he told the king that people don't really respect me, right? They don't give me any job, they think that I'm not going to do it, and they judge me for it. All right, so the king, rather than consoling him, what he told was that, do one thing, come to my castle in the evening, all right? By evening, come to the castle and go to my treasury and get whatever gold, whatever gems, how much ever you can carry it by evening, carry it and take it home. All right, very simple task. All you have to do is show up, take a couple of bags, fill in all the golds and gems, whatever he could grab, keep his hands on, or put his hands on, and then go back home. It's a very simple task. This guy goes home first. He goes home and tells his wife that that the king told me that I have so and so opportunity to get whatever I want from the treasury. So wife was like, why not just go, run, go get it? Obviously she like, just go get, take how many bags you possibly can and go get as much gold as you possibly can. At first he told that it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm hungry, let me have some lunch first. So he had some lunch, and then he decided that he's going to go now. In the last minute, he felt like he's a little, he felt a little sleepy because he just had his lunch, so he's a little sleepy. So he thought, okay, I'll sleep for 1 hour and then I'll go. By the time he slept and he woke up, it was already around 4 o'clock. Now, by the time he started walking, it's around 4 o'clock, he started walking towards the castle, and halfway through, because it was a little sunny, he thought he'll sit under the tree for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, and he'll rest a little and then go and get how much of a gold he possibly can. But by the time he reached the castle, people, it was already time up. In the sense, it was already evening. The sun had already set, and the castle gates were already closed, and he literally got nothing out of it. Now, what I'm trying to say is this, people. This is what happens to you also. You think that you have a lot of time left. You think that two months is good enough time, and absolutely yes, it is. 2.5 months is a good enough time for you to prepare for your boards. But the problem is that you guys are not utilizing it well. You're still in the phase that I have 2 months time. I have 2 months time. Every time you feel like it's a little difficult, you tell yourself this, that I have 2 months time. I don't need to rush in right now. I don't need to take so much of stress right now because I have 2 months time. I have 2 months time. And it keeps on getting postponed. Basically, you're procrastinating your work, your, effort. And eventually what is going to happen is that in the last 15-20 days is where you put in all that stress on yourself, trying to mug up everything that you possibly can and put it in your examination. This is what is going to happen if you guys don't do what you're supposed to do right now. That is exactly what's going to happen, because see, for term 1 examinations also, you guys knew that your exam is going to come up in so and so date. You knew about it, that your exams are going on, is going to come up in so and so date. You had good enough time to prepare. Board had already announced your examination at least two months back, 1.5 months to 2 months back, but still towards the end of the first term examination, you felt like you did not have enough time because you did not utilize it well. And if you do the same thing for term 2 examination, you'll get the same results again. What is that? Doing the same thing and expecting different results is not something that happens in real life, right? So make sure, people, you start putting in the effort right now itself in the right direction. See, we on YouTube also, we have completed all the chapters. Physics, all chapters are done. From next week onwards, we are going to start with the revision. So make sure that you join us during the revision. Again, it's absolutely free for you guys. So join the revision and start with your preparations. Now, if you're feeling a certain topic is difficult, go back and go check out the videos. We've put up so many free videos for you guys. Check it out, read, understand, go through your textbook once, read your NCERT also once, so that you never ever forget it. That's how you prepare, but you have to utilize the time well. There's 2 months that you have to utilize in the right direction. You have to utilize in the right manner. Now, if you guys need more help apart from whatever we do on YouTube, Vedanthu's Pro classes are also there, V Pro classes are also there. You have Drona batch also starting from next week. You have Drona batch, which is basically for revision from your favorite master teachers. You'll have Abhishek sir teaching over there, you have Amrit sir teaching over there, you have Harsh sir teaching over there, you have Anubha ma'am, Ankana ma'am, all these amazing teachers that you see on your Vedanta 9th and the Hindi channel. They will be doing the sessions over there. Again, choice is yours. You have lots of opportunities, lot of choices. The choice is yours. But whatever it is, whatever you choose, make sure you start with your preparations right away. That is all I have to say. Start with your preparations right away. Now, again, if you talk about Vedanthu's post subscription courses, I'll just tell you quickly what it is. If you guys, again, want to kickstart your preparations right away, you can do that with us. So let me just tell you what Vedanthu's courses are, and then again, you can make up your mind. It's not necessary that you have to, I'm not forcing you people to, do this is the only way to do it. But what I'm trying to say is, whatever you do, use this time that you have in the right manner, in the right direction. And Vedanta is an opportunity for you guys to do that, to just do that, so that we can help you in the right direction, to guide you in the right direction, to utilize and to make yourself better. That is all I'm trying to say. So here are the things, guys. First of all, you can check out all the sessions of Vedanthu right here. If you go to the past session, then you can check out all the upcoming sessions also right here by clicking on it. So whatever sessions you have and whatever sessions you've missed out, you can check that out always at any point in time you want. And we always tend to have a lot of fun during the sessions. It's not gonna be like a boring session where we talk and you listen. It's never gonna be like that. We tend to start off with a riddle or something of that sort to keep the sessions interesting. We have a lot of hotspots to keep the class interactive. Hotspots, quizzes, and for these quizzes we'll have fastest fingers list, stars to give you that motivation, to give you that sense of achievement. We have leaderboards, we have drum rolls, we have lots and lots of amazing stuff, lots of animations during the sessions to keep the class interactive. The best part about this is, people, you can actually talk to the teacher. Now on YouTube, you don't really have that opportunity, right? Because whatever you type, I can see that, but you can't really talk to the teacher. But on the platform, you can actually get yourself unmuted and you can talk to the teacher as well and get your doubts resolved right there and then. So you don't have to worry about carrying your doubts forward to the next class. And not only that, people, you have an option called as doubts panel. panel. I don't know if you guys can see this. So there's this option called as doubts panel. So in this doubts panel, you'll have someone called as a class teacher as well. So the class teacher will ensure that your doubts are cleared right there and then inside the class itself. So whatever doubts you have, you'll have two set of teachers. One teacher who will be teaching, another set of teachers who will be parallelly solving the doubts as well. And after the session, you can also get the teacher doubts solved from the master teacher as well. So these are the kind of opportunities that you have. To give you an idea, people, in this particular session, about 88 doubts were asked, and all those 88 doubts were resolved in the class itself by the help of the class teachers. So that is the kind of support that you're getting. Again, this is an opportunity to kickstart with your preparations, to kickstart, to not waste any time, rather than just waiting for things to change, rather than waiting for things to happen. This is an opportunity for you guys to kickstart your preparations right away, so that you don't end up feeling all demoralized or demotivated by the end of the examination. You can even download all of the PDF, whatever is written on the class, everything can be downloaded by just clicking on this option called as Get Notes. So you can refer to that also whenever you want. With that, you'll also be getting stress relief sessions. You'll have meditation sessions, and lots of amazing stuff would also be going on parallelly during this course of the next 2 to 3 months that you have, right? So how do you enroll? Very, very simple. Go to the description of the session. So in the session that you're watching, first of all, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, subscribe and hit the like button. My laptop is so slow that I can't even hit the like button right now. Anyways, so go to the description of this video, people, and go to CBSE Term 2 full syllabus. Now for ICSE also we have crash courses. For CBSE also we have the full syllabus going on right now. So this is basically, guys, the Drona crash course I'm talking about. So this is complete revision. Complete revision is what I'm talking about during this Drona crash course. So again, all these sessions of Drona would be taken up by Abhishek sir, by Harsh sir, by Amrit sir, by Anubha ma'am and Ankana ma'am. All the teachers that you have on the Vedantu 9th and Hindi channel, all of those teachers would be taking it, and you guys know the level of quality that they maintain. So you will be getting those teachers in this Drona batch for your term 2 preparations, and all of this, like I just told you about, notes and replays, the entire crash course with subject wise tests and everything, all of this included for the next 3 months, you'll be paying about 2,970 rupees for the next 3 months. That is, so that's basically roughly about 1,000 rupees per month. If you ask me, people, for the last minute preparations for the entire syllabus of all the 6 subjects, physics, chemistry, bio, math, English, social science, all 6 subjects, you're getting it for such a affordable price. That is something that you can go for without even thinking twice. Now, if you guys want the doubt solving app as well, like if you feel like I want doubt solving app, that is, I want some doubts to be solved outside the class as well, then you can go with Classic for the same Drona batch. It'll be the same price of 2,970 rupees. The added advantage is that you also get the doubt solving app. So if you ask me, go with the Classic program because you also get the doubts app. So if you have any doubt while you're studying, take a photo of it, send it, and get your doubts solved. This is after the 10% discount. That is, if you use my coupon code AME Pro, you'll be getting 10% discount. After the 10% discount, you'll be getting this price. And not only that, people, you can also get another 10% discount if you use this MobiQuick and on. If you use that app, that like how your phone pay and all that, no. So if you use MobiQuick, you can also get 10% cashback on this as well. So it's actually a 20% cashback in total that you're paying for this. All right, so that's again, you have amazing opportunities to study with one of the best teachers that you have on the platform. So don't miss this opportunity. That I would say kickstart your preparations right away. That's all I'm saying. You have good 2.5 months left, so use that time well, and so that you don't end up regretting it later on. That's all I'm trying to say. All right. Anyways, guys, let's go on to the next question. One sec. I know that a lot of you guys would have left the quiz right now. So whoever's left right now, please join the quiz once again, people. Whoever left the quiz by mistake, go to joinmyquiz.com/pro and enter the code 873569 very quickly. All right. Yes. Coming back to the quiz now. Yes, I am a Malayali. Oh, was it? Yes, Bhargavi. Thank you, Bhargavi. Thank you. Hi, Yogita, what's up? Hi, Khadija, what's up? How are you doing? Long time no see. What's up, people? What's up? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead with the quizzes now. So moving on to the last two quiz questions, people. The last two quiz questions. Again, these are level 3 questions, the toughest of the bunch that we have seen so far. Here we go. I don't think it's gonna be that difficult, but here it is. For a current in a long straight solenoid, north and south pole are created at the two ends. Among the following statement, the incorrect statement is the field lines that solenoids are in the form of straight lines which indicate the magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. The strong magnetic field produced inside the solenoid can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron when placed inside the material. The pattern of magnetic field associated with the solenoid is different from the pattern of a magnetic field around a bar magnet. The north and south pole exchange position when direction of current through a solenoid is reversed. So they're talking about a solenoid here. The question is which statement is incorrect? Which of the statement is incorrect? So the options are pretty damn long. The field lines inside the solenoid are straight lines indicating that the magnetic field line is uniform over there, is same at all points. The solenoid can be used to magnetize the soft iron core material. The magnetic field line of a solenoid is different from that of a bar magnet. North and south pole will exchange as you change the direction of current. Let's see how many of you guys got the right answer for this one. Here's the leaderboard, people. We have Bhargavi and Himashi got it right. I believe 11 of you guys. That is a fabulous number, guys. The options are so long that it took me a lot of time to read it, but it's actually a very simple question because we know that, see, in a solenoid, the magnetic field around a solenoid is very similar to that of a bar magnet, and all the other statements are true. Inside, they are actually parallel to each other, which means that the magnetic field inside a solenoid is uniform. It is actually uniform. And yes, if you place a soft iron core into the solenoid, the soft iron core also gets magnetized, and basically the magnetic field around the solenoid gets stronger. You'll have a stronger magnetic field. And yes, depending on the direction of current, the north and the south pole will change, which is called as a clock phase rule. If current is going in clockwise direction, then that is the south pole. If current is going in anti-clockwise direction, then that would be the north pole. So that is also something that it depends on. All right, moving on to the last and the final question for today, people. Here is the last and the final question. That's it. The last question for today. The last level 3 question. Here we go. Last question, guys. Here we go. Assertion. When the direction of velocity of moving charge is perpendicular to the magnetic field, it experiences a maximum force. Reason: force on a moving charge does not depend on the direction of the magnetic field in which it moves. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is false, but reason is true. The question is, if you change the direction of velocity of a moving charge, when a direction of velocity of a moving charge is perpendicular to the magnetic field, it experiences maximum force. All right. Reason is the force on a moving charge does not depend on the direction of the magnetic field in which it moves. Think about it, people. Think about it. Is it Chris? All the best, buddy. All the best. I hope you perform really well. Do well. Do well. All the best. Tusharji, this is the last quiz question, buddy. Next time, make sure that you're a little early so that you can join the quiz. All right. Hi, crazy foodie. What's up? Laza, what's up, Laza? How you doing? All right, last and final question, people. Here we go. This is it, the final leaderboard for the day. I believe Anshika is the winner, but fabulous job, people. Fabulous job. 12 of you guys got the right answer. Fantabulous. Absolutely correct, people. See, the assertion is definitely true. So if you have a current carrying conductor, we know that the magnetic field basically, when the current is flowing through a conductor, when the charge is flowing through a conductor, we know that this charge, when it's placed in a magnetic field, will experience a force. The force on a current carrying conductor, which is represented by Fleming's left hand rule. You know that. The direction of this depends on the direction of the magnetic field. If you change the direction of the magnetic field, the direction of force on the current carrying conductor will also change. That is what Fleming's left hand rule states, that the thumb shows the direction of the force on the current carrying conductor, the index finger shows the direction of the magnetic field, and your middle finger shows the direction of current. Father, mother, child. So very simple, people. So reason is false, but assertion is true. All right, so that's it, people. That is all for the quiz time of magnetic effect. We'll be coming out with more sessions again. Lots of sessions will be coming out with lots of revision sessions. We're going to start off now because we are done with all the regular topics of physics, at least. So there'll be a lot of things coming up. A lot of amazing stuff are in the pipeline. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because, again, I don't want you guys to miss out on all these amazing content for all the subjects. I'm not just talking about physics here. All the subjects, you'll be getting equal amount of support. You'll be getting equal amount of quality there. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. and hit the like button if you guys enjoy the video. All right. So anyways, here is your final leaderboard. Anshika ji, super amazing, fantastic job till the end. You were in the first. Aman also super amazing. Now one question, one mistake, and then he came down to the second position. But well done, Aman. Third is Vasandra, super amazing. Bhargavi in the fourth, super amazing. Now then it's Himashi on the fifth. Karan, Meda, Amrita, Jay Kumar, followed by Preksha 873569, Pranav, KV, Prithvi, Akshat, Blair, followed by Shreya, Banu, Sahel, Doyle, unsafe name, Dhruv, Believer, Parkavi, Anupsal, what? Anyways, then we have Dhairya, we have Yashrat, followed by Swayam, Gautam, Vishnu, Lime Jansen, followed by Saket, and finally we have a lot of others who basically did not get a chance to open their account until the end. But nonetheless, people, that's pretty much it for today's session. If you have any doubts, you can let me know right now. I'll try to clear it up. Yes, that's it. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you for spending your time with me. But yeah, do not forget to subscribe, guys. And yes, the link is right there for the Drona batch. Don't miss this opportunity. You have an opportunity right now to start with your preparations. You have good two and a half months left. For that two and a half months left is what you're paying about 2,900 rupees, which I believe is a very good deal because you're getting the entire revision over there. So think about it, and you're getting all the best teachers of Vedantu that is to offer. So go ahead. All right. Anyways, is it? Ariji, good luck. Awesome. How much are you expecting that? Yes, Shubha, why not? Abhishek's wife name is Mrs. Abhishek KR. That's Abhishek's wife name, Mrs. Abhishek KR. All right. That's Abhishek's wife name. Yeah. I know it's very generic, but yes. Truth. I never speak nothing but the truth. I'm always nothing but the truth. Alright, so people, that's it for today then. Thank you for joining. Catch you guys in the next one then. Take care. Have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright. Bye for now. Enjoy yourself. Take a good break. Take 20 minutes break. Give your eye some rest. And then kickstart with your preparations right away. Alright guys. I'll see you soon then. Bye guys. Take care now. I think you want to do. It's okay. It's okay, Yariji. It's all right. Raveen, you still done really well. No, that's all that matters. 1-2 marks. That's okay. Chalta hai. Bye, Bhargavi. Bye, Tanisha. Bye, Amrita. Take care, guys. Bye. See you all. Have fun and all the best for your preparations. Do well. Take care. Peace. Bye. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care. See you all.